Linguistics, non-speculative nature. Scientific study of language. So linguistics is a scientific study of language. It applies all the approaches which a scientist apply when the scientist is dealing with his research. The main difference between scientific and non-scientific study of language is that linguistics is empirical rather than speculative or intuitive. When we say that linguistics is empirical, it means that the linguist observes, he makes certain hypotheses, he does certain experiment on the data available, and on the basis of certain experiment, the linguist comes up with certain generalized rules and makes theories. This is how the scientist or the linguist work in their labs. So, contrary to the linguist, one who is working on the language on the basis of speculation is the one who is not working on the object under study as the linguist is working. The theories are not based on the verifiable data. All the theories are based on speculations, guesses, or intuitions. Intuition that they cannot be explained fully. So, the linguist is dealing with language in a very scientific way. He does not make any speculation that this is how a language is used, this is how words are formed, this is how the structure of the language is made, this is how the sounds are found in a certain language. They are very much, they are clear about their work. Whenever they say that these sounds are found in a certain language and how they combine with each other, whenever they talk about the syllable, they know that what are the structure of a syllable. Whenever they talk about the morphemes, they know how morphemes work, how suffixes and prefixes work in a certain language. Similarly, when they arrange word in a certain order, they know that where noun phrase comes and where verb phrase comes, and then what is the structure of an adjective phrase. So their work is like a scientist's work, whereas one who is making speculation is not sure how things work. Maybe sometime a thing can be true according to his statement, or sometime it cannot be true according to his statement, because his work bases on speculation and intuition. It operates with publicly verifiable data obtained by means of observation and experiment. So, the linguist takes data publicly, openly, he listens to the speaker, he reads books, and then he makes generalization of the data and makes theories, makes certain hypotheses. So this is how a linguist works. There is an objectivity and empiricism with reference to his work. So we conclude that linguistics is non-speculative. It is very much scientific approach.